This is Varun Dhawan,
This is Shraddha Kapoor.
and you're watching us with Faridoon on
Bollywood Hangama.
Hey Varshra, a message you want to give out to all your fans because we all are supporting you constantly and we will do this forever. Good luck for Street Dancer 3D. This is Adil from Ahmedabad for Varun and Shraddha. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hangama. And these guys, they've been waiting for the longest period of time. So what do you have to tell them? They've been
કેમ છો
supporting you
આદિલ
guys.
મજામાં અમદાવાદનો વાઘ છે રેમો ડિસુઝા અને
અને હું અહીંયા છું બહુ ટાઈમ થઈ ગયું છે you guys God okay basically
said
one
this
second I really want to do this
Please do.
I want to do this because finally
For
the
the
moment
fans.
has come
For the
and
fans.
this is for Varshra all our fans who have been trending for Faridoon
Yeah.
for us to come
For
and
us to come here.
for us
We are
to
talking
come
films,
here.
Varshra.
And finally that moment has come. We, even before Street Dancer, we came to know that so many people have been trending that we should come on the show and that moment has finally come. So I'm really excited.
We didn't even realize that people like seeing us so much together.
So
I
much.
think
Yeah.
it's
and the
phenomenal.
kind of love that we're getting together is
It's
amazing.
Like any picture or any like song comes out, everyone's like really requesting that when will we get to see a glimpse of Varun and Shraddha?
Yeah.
Whereas this, I was getting a lot of queries of when is Shraddha going to come and start doing city tours and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
I hope you all are enjoying the banter and the love.
I think it is phenomenal, and I've just taken the questions for you guys on Twitter, like say around 1 hour back, and there are almost 1500 se zyada sawal already aa chuke hain. I
Already?
seriously, there are too many of them. Okay, let's quickly take a few of them. Nafisa from Bangladesh for Shraddha. I love you a lot, Shraddha. You mean the world to me. You're really precious and special for me. I love everything about you. I love your dance, acting, expressions, beautiful eyes and smile. Thank you for being you. Best wishes always. Nafisa from Bangladesh.
Nafisa, thank you so much. It means the world to me that you say all of these things. And I really just wish I can express how much all this love means, but I don't think that I can ever.
She can sing a song for you.
If you want that.
Today you not sung a song, so I think today आज गाना नहीं गाया इन्होंने, मैंने सुना ही नहीं गाना. तो एक गाना तो हो जाना.
बिल्कुल दो लाइनें हो सकती हैं.
दो लाइन.
दो लाइनें. Okay, so should I sing Sun Sathiya?
Sing
Since
Sun
it's our
Sathiya.
song.
Since it's a
Sure.
reunion.
It's a reunion,
Since-
and
sure,
like
sure.
it'll be a nice like
It'll be
throwback.
lovely.
Sun Sathiya, Mahiya, बरसा दे शिका की स्याहिया रंग जाऊं रे हारी मैं तुझ पे मैं छर जाऊं हारी हाँ पिया बस तेरी मैं हो चूले तो खरी मैं. We got so much love for this song because of you guys. So thank
That was
you.
pretty good, yeah.
That was beautiful. That
Are you
was
doing- are you
wonderful.
saying?
No, I'll do it later. I'll do it later.
How
You know,
sweet.
trust me, I'm having. We'll quickly go to a
So
question
well you
for.
sang.
for
I think she deserves a kiss on her forehead. The 5-inch forehead.
all
well
right,
you
I
sang.
can see this moment trending actually.
Huh?
Thank you. Yeah.
A very good singer.
Thanks.
No, she is. A lot of heart. This is Rashi from Mumbai for
Rashi.
No
Ow.
questions.
Oh.
No questions, but Veedy, you are the best idol I could ever ask for. You never let your fans down and inspire them with everything you do. You've taught me so much, and all the best for everything you do. We always have your back.
Thank you.
They have your
Thank you guys. Love and respect.
bus.
Okay.
She didn't want to ask a question. She just wanted to say this. So I just want to tell you this. Don't answer it. That's it.
So I'll quickly take a question for.
Where do you get your caps from, Faridoon?
This
You know-
one is from USP.
You know, I've been told about this interview like 2 hours back. So
You did another interview?
I bought this
You did
T-shirt and
another
cap
interview
today
before us?
for this interview.
Who did you interview?
Amit Khanna ji.
Amit Khanna. Which cap you wore for him?
In that one, that was Dallas Cowboys.
Did you start wearing caps because of Himesh Reshamya?
Not really.
You asked him this
No,
before.
yeah, because-
Hasn't
Not
he
really.
asked you this before?
You know, trust me, I'm having too many things.
Sorry.
This is Shraddha Daily, admins Rishita and Pratishtha from Florida.
Pratishta.
Please send a.
Pratishtha!
Please
I know
send a-
Pratishtha.
Yeah, so please
She was
send
in
a message.
Jamnabai?
No, I know her.
Please
She's
send a
been,
message
like,
to
around
all
for
your
a
Twitter fan
long
clubs.
time.
We miss you here and all the best for
They miss
Street
you.
Dancer 3D. So maybe a shout out to all your
Fan club.
overseas fans as well. Florida. This is from Florida.
Guys, I know I've not been very active on Twitter, but I want to say that I love all that you guys have been putting out there, and thank you so much always for always being by my side forever and ever.
This is Kirti Gupta from Ludhiana.
Kirti Gupta.
If Varun and Natasha's wedding in Goa rumors are true.
No, it's not true, unfortunately.
Okay, but are you marrying this year?
Who?
You?
I'm not sure.
Oh, boo.
Not.
But can I say whenever he gets
No, we
married?
don't want to know what you
I want to
No,
tell.
no, please. See, you are the one who keeps.
I've told him that I want to dance at his wedding like a mad person. Like I want to dance, and I want to dance on like one of
I want to dance
David
at your
Uncle's.
wedding also.
1 second.
As one of
One second, this is
one
about
of-
you.
One of Shakti Kapoor sir's songs, even I will dance.
I'm going to dance like a crazy
Should I
person.
say what song I'm going to do?
Which?
Alright, dhakke take, tha. I'll dance then.
So we're going to dance very madly at each other's wedding.
I wish they happen also after that.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is Shahina from Mauritius. What would be your answer?
Shaheen
Shraddha?
Abbas?
Shahina.
Shahina.
If Varun proposes you now,
We've just spoken about dancing in each other's
We,
wedding. Just
we are going to
explain the
dance
change of
dynamic.
mood.
at each other's wedding. So yeah.
If I propose her right now, what will happen?
Yeah.
Oh, Varun. Oh. No, it has to be like that. Varun, it'll be like that. Varun. Oh.
No, it's Aho Shraddha. Shraddha.
That's his,
Aho.
and mine is Varun. Oh.
Shraddha के साथ आगे बढ़ो.
This is Krishan Murari from Bhilwara,
Krishan Murari.
Rajasthan.
Murari ji.
Yeah. When are you doing an action movie? We want to see you in an action avatar.
I think that's been the consensus of a lot of people that are close to me. Varun Gupta, who's the marketing head
Who's sitting
of,
right there.
behind in his beanie.
He's giving us sleepless
Looking
nights.
like Akshay Kumar from Boss. He's wanted me to do an action film for a long time, and yeah, I think pretty soon. I think in the next 1-2 years. So.
That should be interesting. Okay, there are loads and loads of more questions. My request is please do go through those questions and
Okay.
hopefully after the release we'll try and get more questions from that for you guys from
Okay.
fan questions.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Considering अपनी film जो है वो dance के ऊपर है, so we have this quiz on dance-based films, and you can win this very fine Bluetooth speaker.
But I
Okay.
have won this before.
You have won this before, but I'm sure that you want more.
Many times I've won it.
Yeah, you
and
want.
then once you've also just given it
One
to
was
me
like a headphone.
Le lo.
It was a headphone.
Le lo Shraddha, le lo.
Le lo.
Le lo.
The idea is I'll give the question
Okay.
and I'll also give options because that makes it a bit easier. But my request is please let me complete the options.
Don't hit you while you speak.
Yeah, so the idea is that it's fair to everyone. And if someone speaks up while the options are being read out, then we'll have to cancel it.
How do we have to say that we are first we do?
No, don't do that.
What do we do?
Moment 4 options are finished, you can go for it.
Okay.
In the film Disco Dancer, what was the name of Mithun Chakravarti? I'll give you options. Johnny, Jimmy, Munna, Jesse.
Johnny.
Jimmy.
She's right. गाना भी है ना जिमी जिमी
Johnny भी तो गाना है.
जिमी जिमी मिथुन इसमें that
फिर वो क्या है वो जुली 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 का दिल दे
I
जाने
don't
नहीं.
know.
Which film is that? Jeeter Shams.
I got 1 point.
Okay. Which one of the following actors was not part of the film Aja Nachle? Konkana CN Sharma, Akshay Khanna, Kunal Kapoor, Sharman Joshi.
Sharman Joshi.
He's right. 1 all.
Thank you for your acquaintance, man.
This is really easy. It's just that who gets it first. Okay. What was Shah Rukh Khan's name in the film Dil To Pagal Hai? Raj, Rahul, Aman, Mohan.
Rahul.
Aman.
She's
I'm
correct.
right now.
Rahul.
Yeah. You knew it.
I knew it. I just wanted to make it
You
more
knew
interesting.
it.
No. He has a best friend called Aman.
Yeah, I do.
He remembered him.
I remembered. Who said Aman? If anyone says Aman in any sentence, I'll
remembers
I'll
Aman.
just say Aman.
In the film Chance Pe Dance.
Chance pe dance. Shahid Kapoor.
Yes.
No, 1 second.
She's
No,
right.
he's in the film. No, he's
But
in
that's
the
not the
film.
question. That's not. In the film Chance Pe Dance, who was the leading lady opposite Shahid Kapoor?
Did he-
Amruta. We'll have to cancel
You
it.
have to cancel it. You have to get minus
We'll
marks.
have to cancel it. We'll move on.
We'll have to break one of your nails.
We'll have to move on.
We'll have to. Shraddha, that's the punishment. We'll have to break one of your nails. So we'll have to do it. We'll have to do it.
You got hurt now.
Ram Gopal Verma's film Nach starred Abhishek Bachchan, Antara Mali, and.
Ritesh Deshmukh.
So we'll have to cancel
No,
it.
now we have
that
to
was
break
fair.
his name. Now, what's
Cancel. It's still 2-1. KK Menon played an antagonist in the film ABCD. That is the first one.
Yes.
What was his name? Jahangir Sheikh, Altaf Sheikh, Jahangir Khan, Altaf Khan.
Jahangir Khan.
He's right. He's right. So it's 2-all, right? Or 3-1?
It's no. I was leading anyway. No, she was leading. No, it was 2-1.
Who was 2-1?
She was 2. It's 2-2 now.
She was 2.
It's 2-2 now.
It's 2-all. It's 2-all.
It's 2-all.
Okay, it's 2-all.
2-all.
It's the last question, and let's
It's the
see
last
who
question.
gets
The decider.
It's the decider. Let's see who gets it. It's very easy. Trust me, it's really easy.
I'm going to open my shoelace for this.
In the film Dil To Pagal Hai, Akshay Kumar
Dil
was
To Pagal Hai.
childhood friend of whom? Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit, Karishma Kapoor, Pooja Bedi.
Madhuri Dixit.
Ivanna.
He got it.
I'll tie my shoelace on the chair now. I think you have to tie my shoelace because it's your fault.
Okay, so Shraddha, if you can please hand it over to.
Oh, I have to do that also. Well deserved, VD.
जीत गया
Rapid fire with Shraddha Kapoor. What is the easiest way to irritate Varun Dhawan?
If he feels like, I don't know. But what is the easiest way to
You don't
irritate him?
irritate me, so
I don't know. He doesn't get irritated with me.
not with her.
He doesn't.
I don't think he gets irritated with anyone.
No. He got
He does?
irritated yesterday.
Oh, he did?
He
Okay.
got irritated yesterday. He got little irritated, but it's like he got irritated about something. He went like that was like few seconds ka, but not with me.
One reason why do you think people like your chemistry with Varun so much?
Because I think our childhood bond comes out, that
Yeah.
comfort comes out.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I think so. I think the fact that her forehead has remained the same since she was small till now.
Yeah, he measures my forehead now because it's not a forehead, it's a 7 head. It's really big.
What is something you think everyone should do at least once in their lives?
Actually, many times can I say,
जी बिल्कुल बताइए ना.
they should be completely random. Make no sense.
That's a very good answer.
That's a very good answer in today's
Yeah.
day and age, at least.
Yeah,
Not just randomness. And the king of randomness is next to me.
Like not be prim and proper, just
Not be
just
prim and
yeah.
proper. do, like,
are you
outlandish things.
seeing how random he is? Like, it's the best thing in the world.
And then I know. I think.
Pretty used to it now.
He brings out that.
You know,
to
we
me
look forward to that
also.
randomness because in all our interviews, that is a USP.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Shraddha, if you're asked to dance right now, which song would you play?
Something like. Something where I'm just going.
Interesting.
There's
Interesting.
no song like that, but.
If dance is a religion, who's the god of it?
Prabhu Deva.
Name
Prabhu
it.
Deva.
I think Muqabla
नाम में ही
is outstanding.
Yeah.
Faridun, you've not seen anything till now.
Yeah, it's outstanding.
कुछ देखा ही नहीं आपने अभी तक.
I'm
You know
sure
who else likes Muqabla? Anushka Sharma.
she likes
She
Anushka.
loves Prabhudev.
I think everyone does.
Yeah.
If you think this is outstanding,
You see the film
Oh.
में what he's done है.
Oh.
I can just say कि मैंने acting की है film में. Dancing.
You know, I think even in Muqabla, the way the entire breakdance and all that you're doing, it's
I think
amazing.
there's
More to it? Okay, we'll come to that. Which Bollywood filmy character would you want to spend a day with, like Crime Master Coco and types?
Oh.
Filmy character.
Sridevi's character in Chalbaz.
अरे
Aha.
which one? though?
For sure.
Which one? though?
Manju.
You'd like to do a remake of Chalbaz?
I don't know if anybody can remake it, but if they do, then
It's a great role.
yeah.
Yep.
Then for sure.
How would you react to following comments on YouTube trailer of Street Dancer 3D? Shraddha, you should marry Varun Dhawan.
Oh.
That's a comment.
That's a compliment. It's so cute.
We've been really getting that on like
We've been getting that a lot, like
Yeah.
that kind of love, and so we wanna. I think that thank you to the fans,
Yeah.
guys, for appreciating us.
vibe. But I don't think that if people are actually very romantically inclined, they can behave like that. मैंने किसी पत्नी और पति को ऐसे पता नहीं.
Yeah, you think so?
You don't behave like that openly. No, people are not doing. They don't do all this weird stuff.
Yeah,
you
but-
behave like that with your wife? You?
No,
You?
Pardon?
How do
I
you
think
behave
it's
with your wife?
possible also to but behave
I
like
think,
this.
you know, I've been married for a really long time, so it keeps
No,
on
no,
changing.
no, no,
It
no.
keeps on varying, yeah.
No.
So she
But-
just called me on a WhatsApp call and she's like that ये लेना है. So I told her that मेरे
सब्जी
मेरे
वब्जी
आसपास
खरीद के
लोग
आने
हैं.
No, but I have to say, if like whenever I get married and whoever I get married to, I have to be completely cracked with that person.
No, I think that
I have to.
that-
It's very important.
That is important.
For me. For me, I have to be like full,
No, it makes sense.
What?
which is
Makes sense. Makes
You'll
sense.
find someone like that.
yeah. You have to.
Sure, you will.
You have to spend the rest of your life with that person. You have to be like
You'll find. So.
If winning heart is an art, which celebrity would be the Picasso of it apart from Varun?
winning hearts.
Very easy. This is
What do you mean?
one man now who's known for this.
Who wins hearts?
Yeah.
I think Prabhas.
Prabhas, huh?
Prabhas.
And he also understands that the way to the heart of a woman is through the stomach, and he feeds very well as well.
Yeah.
That's the
yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Darling.
Which
darling.
song would you sing for your crush?
Which song would I sing?
Very
for
interesting crush thing happening as well in the promo.
Which song
Yeah.
would I sing for my
Crush
crush?
promo.
A crush promo, na? What song would I sing for my crush? I don't know. I don't know.
What song would you sing?
I don't know.
My favorite thing is to make her sing, but I just make her sing.
Right.
Gao Shraddha.
Gayo Shraddha, please.
Gao Shraddha. I don't know. I don't know which song. Yeah.
Anything. I'm sure. Maybe a song from your movie, maybe.
Sing. Mandiya. You know the lyrics of that song?
मुंडिया नी सुली उते तंग रख दावे तेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार वर्गा
Mandiya. But you have to start.
मुंडिया नी
Rapid fire with Varun. What are you really good at, but kind of embarrassed that you're good at it?
You know how those like Hulk Hogan, how he can move his chest up and down. I can do that. I've not shown you all, but I didn't.
No, you've done with Ileana and
But that's talent,
and
huh?
Nargis
But I
also.
can do that. I can do that.
When you can do like that.
Yeah.
And I'm embarrassed.
If Hrithik, Shahid and Tiger were competing, who would win the best dancer tag?
I think
Me.
Shraddha would be a close. Maybe I think a lot of people appreciate Hrithik sir's dance. I think they really, because he has a very yeah, it's very different. I think from other, he has a feel in his dance.
Yeah, he enjoys it.
Amazing.
And I think Shahid and Tiger would agree with me. I think it'll be Hrithik.
Yeah, for sure. He's got like this. He stands
different.
only and he's like
Yeah, he's quite different.
amazing.
When you read the newspaper, which section do you skip to immediately?
A sports one.
Sports one. What's the easiest way to piss Shraddha off?
Easiest way to piss Shraddha off. Don't let her sleep.
What's the most illegal thing you've ever done?
Peed on a road. That's wrong. It's illegal. It's wrong. I'm not proud of that. I've done that but once or twice, but I'm sorry.
Okay, how would you react to following YouTube comments on trailer of Street Dancer? Varun Shraddha, we want you to remember as a better chemistry than SRK Kajol.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That's a really
That's a
big
big
one.
one, guys. I think we just have our own thing. I feel grateful. I've always felt that we make a great pair.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
I've always
yeah.
felt that. I felt that from the age of like maybe 13 or 14. We have a Dandiya story where I met her, ran into her at Jamnabai during the Dandiya thing. I always felt we made a good pair.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm glad people think so.
Varun Dhawan is the most underrated dancer, period. That's another comment on it.
Really?
That's a comment, yeah.
On the YouTube, yeah.
I thought that I'm high rated, Gabru, but okay. am I underrated as a dancer?
No, I don't think he's underrated at all. I think he's very good.
Rated.
He's rated.
I'm rated, no?
Salman Khan plus Govinda is equal to Varun Dhawan.
Oh, big one, huh?
That I don't think so. It's true because they both are too talented in their own fields. I think I just want to be me. That's it.
But can I add something to it? I
Yeah.
think that the kind of humor that he brings, as you all can see, is just too good.
There's one more interesting comment. At 2 minutes 43 seconds, that's a promo. Varun says, हम लोग एक कभी नहीं हो सकते, श्रद्धा कभी नहीं. Then the comment starts, लेकिन
We should
ये
do it.
कुछ सेकंड पहले किस कर रहे हैं.
हम लोग एक कभी नहीं हो सकते.
कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं हो सकते और कभी नहीं. उसके बाद the comment is, लेकिन ये कुछ सेकंड पहले किस कर रहे थे.
हाँ तो वो मतलब सपना भी हो सकता है ना.
हाँ, और वो पिक्चर भी बाकी है ना गाइस.
हाँ तो
24
देखो
Jan
क्या
को
होता
आपको
है,
पता
कब
चलेगा गाइस.
क्या होता है.
If you could make one rule and everyone around you must follow it.
That everyone should go watch Street Dancer 3D on 24 Jan.
Interesting.
And that he should let me get sleep
And allow you to fly the kite.
and allow me to fly the kite.
If you could spend a day with any Bollywood actor, who would that be?
I think if I could spend the day, I would love to spend the day with could be an actress also, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think if I would love to spend the day, I love to spend the day with you. We have fun together. So
Yeah.
the-
Full dhamal, full masti.
Full Damas. Okay.
Time pass.
I'm
All
happy.
right.
I'm
Yes.
happy.
So, I think I have a slight feeling that Shraddha Kapoor has a slight edge
She does. No, she
in
does.
this
I
rapid
do?
fire.
Because you
Yeah.
don't ask me questions.
I
you just give me
actually do?
comments.
No. I did ask you quite a few questions as well. So I think she has a slight edge. And Varun Dhawan, if you can please hand it over. Here is this bhoppu that you can please have.
Wow.
Bhopoo.
Okay, it's
Thank
called
you.
5-second challenge.
Okay.
Oh God,
Okay,
that sounds
and
like
so the idea is that just give you a question, you just have to say it within 5 seconds, and once you've said it, you have to
Bhopu Maro.
bhopu. Name 3 reasons why people should watch Street Dancer 3D.
Because it's a dance film which is amazing and revolutionary. There are 16 newcomers in it and it has a very good messaging.
Varun Dhawan, 3 things that come to your mind when I say Michael Jackson.
Remo D'Souza, Sehaj, and Prachi. They all have that tattoo, which Remo
Of Michael
has. I
Jackson?
have, and Prachi is an assistant of Remo, so even she has it.
It's 1-all. So Shraddha, name 3 nicknames for yourself.
Chimni, Rani, Shads.
We'll settle for that. 2-1. Varun, name 3 titles for your biopic.
Shana, Chikna, Pagal.
2-all. Not
What
bad.
is this Bhopu?
Shraddha, best dancers of Bollywood.
Madhuri Dixit, Prabhu Deva,
Think.
Madhuri.
Varun Dhawan, 3 things that annoy you the most.
Loud people, bitchy people, and lies.
Shraddha, define love in 3 words.
Selflessness, empowering, and the best thing in the world. Good, na? Good.
Varun, 3 films of 2020 that you're looking forward to.
Street Dancer, Coolie number 1, Baghi 3.
Shraddha, name 3 actors that come to your mind when I say top 3 actors.
Varun Dhawan, Tiger Shroff, Ranbir Kapoor.
All her co-stars. Varun, name any 3 dance forms.
Okay, tutting, whacking, breakdancing.
And Varun has one it. So Shraddha, please, if you can once again. Thank you very much. And can you guys please maybe hum a couple of lines from any of the songs of the movie to just end this interview? Anything.
We'll sing it. दिसंबर में कर दी समर तू लैम्बोर्गिनी मैं हूँ हमर वैसे भी कोई जल्दी ना मुझको बचपन से ही मैं लेट कमर मिलियन में बेबी तू एक हिंदी कमर जैसे स्नेक तेरे सुंदरता पे बेबी लिख दूं 2 फुट लंबा लेख ले कर दी 100 बात की एक लेगी मुझको तुम आता टेक गर्मी कहते हैं जिसको तू मुझको गले लगा के दे ये
Thank you very much. So that's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
keep on watching.
This is Varun Dhawan,
This is Shraddha Kapoor,
and you're watching us with Faridun on
Bollywood Hungama.